Hi, this is Hadas from Like in Canva, and in this tutorial I'd like to introduce to you a new app in Canva called Product Photos. If you have a product that you took a photo of but not super professional, or you're not exactly sure how you want to exhibit it, then Canva has a wonderful solution which is available to all users. Let's go ahead and see how that works. I'm going to go to my home screen and click on Apps right here on the left. Then you'll find the product photos. Click on that. So let's upload a new image. I took a photo, just a spontaneous photo of one of my bracelets on my desk. Doesn't look very impressive, I agree. Let's see what Canva does. So I'm going to choose my photo, click on Next. You can add up to 10 images to bulk edit. And here you have e-commerce options. So you can add your photo with a white background or some kind of shadow backgrounds. These boxes are actually just for demonstration and illustration what your product is going to look like. Now you have another option. You can click up here to automotive and see different backgrounds and different styles. Just ignore the car. The car is going to be replaced with one of your products, but this is just for illustration purposes. So let's go back. I want to choose one of the other backgrounds and I'm going to click the wooden table. Canva prepares my photo. There it is. Oh wow, you want to see what it looked before? Let's just 1 second go back. I have to show you the before and after. Huge difference. Okay, let's use this in the design. You can either download it or use it. So I'm just gonna choose Instagram post and there I have it. I can add some text or elements, or I can just use this photo and use it in a template like this. Makes work so much simpler, easier, and looks a lot more professional. You do not need a Pro account for this, but if you'd like to try out Canva Pro, I'm happy to give you 45 days for free, no strings attached. You'll find the link in the comments below or just scan this QR code. I hope you liked this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.